Morning Train talks about rivalry between two groups. It's basically the notorious guy Danny, who eyed his Vinod's girlfriend, who was Praveen Bobby, and she refused the offer, because of which he was full of revenge. And what he did when the train was finally ready for passengers, what he just put a vacuum in the pipe. He put a vacuum brake, because of which the train would not stop. And what he did, he planted a bomb in the machine toolbox, and he did all this out of revenge. And Vinod Khanna was later on, he was informed. Since this information was shared with Dharmendra, whose girlfriend Hema Malini was traveling, Seema was traveling via that train. A lot of other passengers, a lot of relatives, two kids, they were independently, they were traveling itinerary. So what exactly happens now? The real job was to stop the train somehow, and they did everything possible. Simi Agrawal is looking very graceful as usual in most of the movies. So they chalked out a plan. Vinod Khanna was instrumental in leading the gang. Even Vinod Mehra was there, Iftikhar, all of them were part of the railway group. So what they thought of it, they wanted to establish an incline by which the train would hit it and then finally it will stop. And even the fire broke out in the kitchen because the cook, he just switched on the gas and he forgot to switch it off. And the entire train almost caught fire. Asrani is also there as a sub-inspector. Few of the scenes lack direction, weak direction, in the sense they were climbing around the window as if like they were some kind of animals. How is it possible for a human being, and that too when the train was at a very fast speed? So somehow the incline was made, and the car finally, the train finally stopped, and a few lives also were lost. And there was also a doctor in the train, on the train. Actually, what had happened with Seema, she had lost one of her leg in an accident, and they were going around, they were about to get married, Dharmendra and Seema. Ashok, Dharmendra was Ashok. But what she did, she cooked up a story and she said that you are not very rich, that's why I don't want to tie the knot. But the reality, the fact of the matter was, she had only one leg. One was like a plastic wooden leg. So she didn't want to be like a burden on him. And later on, he came to know about it, and she was traveling with the doctor Naveen Nishchal, who was treating her as well, and he treated even the patients who were burnt. Bernal and all were put for spots like such big. And blanket should never be used when fire breaks out. The first thing you have to do is to pour water. So this movie finally, it was success, the train, but it led to few loss of lives, and finally it stopped and passengers were jubilant, and Seema and Ashok, they united. And Praveen Bobby, who was Vinod Khanna's wife, in the beginning she was a bit angry with him because the son was traveling alone, and when she came to know that someone has planted bomb, she was infuriated. But later on she came to her senses, and she felt that whatever he was doing was for the benefit of passengers. So it's an entertaining movie. Most of the songs are really good. So bottom line, revenge begets revenge. The best way to take revenge is to just forgive, but it's not possible for every person, as it showed in Danny. Enmity begets enmity, my friends. 4 stars.